Leading UI/UX design trends in 2022. It is vital to stay up to date to keep your website interesting, given the fast-changing technological world. In addition, today companies need to be more inventive than ever to capture curious visitors and turn them into trustworthy consumers. What does UX/UI mean? A UX/UI designer is responsible for creating user-friendly interfaces to enable potential clients to better understand the use of complex technological products. The distinction between UX and UI can be asked. The UI and user experience, UX, are different since they refer to the aesthetics of a product and the way people interact with it. UX, however, refers to the complete experience when a product or service is being used. 6 new trends for UX/UI. First, mobile concept. Almost half of the searches on mobile devices are carried out today. Use a smartphone for daily tasks such as reserving holiday getaways or dining at a restaurant to browse the travel markets, etc. This means that a website or app should also be functional with mobile devices, in addition to looking nice on a desktop version. Web designers appreciate this strategy as an excellent tool for customer engagement improvement. Made by customers. People want individualized experiences since they are in harmony with their nature. The lack of an experience tailored to their demands will lead them to compete. Neomorphism. Neomorphism is gaining popularity because of its subtle yet original appearance that merges skeuomorphism with flat design. At present, the main purpose of products is to produce different user interface items utilizing geomorphics. Air gesture function includes actions like the palming of a selfie over a camera, a revolutionary new mobile design trend. You can operate the phone without the need of a touch screen by waving your hand or squeezing your fingers. VUI. Voice user interface. Users may use voice commands to engage with a UI or to talk. A voice-activated interface prevents consumers from using the interface. UX design teams compete with the latest upgrades and advances in this industry more than ever before. Icons. The game is being transformed by icons. With UX designers, the trend of basic, minimalist icons is currently widespread. The significance of an icon is more effectively conveyed than words. What is next? In the following years, UX design will be influenced by the emergence of immersive experience such as augmented reality and virtual reality. Ultimately, both analytical as well as creative thinking should be used by the UX designer to ensure the design is relevant and valuable for consumers. It is also vital to understand that not all UX design trends are required for a product or website. The usefulness could only be complicated. We would rather keep up with the trends and only use them if they match the needs of your users and are likely to be working for your company.